In this video, we provide an overview of the organizational units in logistics. In the SAP system, the organizational units in logistics form the basis for all material management and production-related processes. They determine where materials are procured, stored, produced, and delivered. This structure ensures that logistics processes are clearly structured, traceable, and can be controlled efficiently. The company code plays a central role in this. It represents the legal entity of a company and forms the framework for the financial accounting of all business transactions. Within a company code, one or more plants are usually created. The plant is the central organizational unit of logistics. It can be a production site, a central warehouse, or even a branch office. Materials are procured, produced, stored, or delivered at the plant. Many logistics processes, such as scheduling, production planning, or inventory management, are directly linked to the plant. Below the plant are the storage locations. They represent the lowest organizational level at which stocks are managed separately. Storage locations can be located within a plant or physically separate, for example, in external warehouses or regional distribution centers. In warehouse management, storage locations can also be divided into storage bins. These storage bins are master data and are used for detailed inventory management within a storage location. In addition to these core areas, the logistics structure also includes other organizational units that are specifically relevant to individual modules or processes. For example, shipping points that are responsible for goods issue, or planning areas that support material planning and replenishment control. The hierarchy can be clearly illustrated with an example. A company operates the company code 1000 example GmbH. The company code includes plant 1010 Munich plant. Within this plant, there are several storage locations, for example 0001 main warehouse and 0002 shipping warehouse. The shipping point MUN1 is responsible for shipping to customers. In summary, the organizational units of logistics form the backbone of all material and goods movements in the SAP system. They create transparency, enable precise inventory management, and form the basis for efficient cross-location processes in procurement, warehousing, production, and sales.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.